হ্যালো, আসসালামু আলাইকুম মাই লাভলি ভিউয়ার্স। আশা করি সব ভালো আছেন, আমরাও ভালো আছি। আজকে আমি আর আমার মেয়ে আমরা আসছি রেঞ্জে।
Let's go.
তো
Time to go inside. Getting in trouble. Let's go.
আসলে আমার কোনো কাজ নেই, এমনি আসছি স্কুল হলিডে বেড়াতে। দেখবো ওরা কি কি নতুন আনছে। এই প্লাস্টিকের আমি ফুলতে পারতেছিলাম, ফুলতে পারি। Is that nice?
Yeah, that was quite nice.
Is it, you know, আমি একটা দেখছিলাম আমার ডাইনিং টেবিলের জন্য। গত বছর একটা ছিল, ওটা আসলে নষ্ট হয়ে গেছে। I think that one is nice.
Yeah, it will match with our dining table. Or with the curtains, it will match.
মাহরিন,
Yeah.
এই ফুলটা নেব। এটা আমার ফুলদানিতে ছিল, বাট একটু মনে হয় বেশি না, তো একটা মনে হয় ম্যাচ হবে। একটা ট্রাই করে দেখি। আচ্ছা, একটা নাও।
Which one?
I think that one.
This one. Okay.
Yeah.
খুব সুন্দর নানি। Let's antique from before.
Very nice. এগুলা খুব সুন্দর, ভেরি কিউট।
Yeah.
শপিংটা আসলে আমি আমি কিন্তু শপিংটা আসি হেঁটে হেঁটে দেখলাম, যে আসলে যে কিনতে হবে এমন কিছু না। আসলে একটু দেখলাম নতুন সিজনে ওরা কি কি আনলো, এটাই আর কি।
Pretty pillows and bubbles. This is first time seeing this. Different multicolored duct tape. We have marble, we have cat, red, black, white. Wow. Well, they have an Iceland here as well.
Oh, really? You want to buy cheese and onion pasty?
Yeah, sure. It's a bit funny though, because one second we were in range and then the other second we're. Oh, these are nice. Oh, these cute flowers. These are cute. Iceland. We like Greg's a lot, so we want to eat stuff at home as well. So we got vegan sausage rolls before. They were only 2 for £4. We also like the cheese and onion ones. Yummy. But they can be quite like unhealthy as well, so it's kind of sad. These ones we can't have. Yeah. Let's go back to Iceland.
It's halal.
Because vegetarian. These ones are also halal because they're vegan. Should we get some snacks then?
Do you want to buy any snacks, Maureen?
Should we see if they have like crisps and stuff? We have the crisps and snacks.
Yeah. So long. Which one do you want to buy? Which one?
So now I'll be showing you what we got. So which bag should we start from here? So we went to the range and we got this plant. As you can see, it's very nice. And then we got these flowers as well for this flower vase. We already have flowers in them, but they seem a bit empty, so we got these flowers. And then in this bag, we got this little vase, this candle. This candle is battery powered, so it's like fake candles. And then we got these flowers for our dining table. We'll put them in the middle, like little centerpiece. And then we also got this little candle holder. So if you open it, we were planning on just taking this out, and I'll show you properly. So we were planning on putting this inside, this candle inside, and then we could also have this as well, which would be quite nice. We also got this candle as well. This one is also battery powered. And then we had to buy some snacks. So we got some fingers, Doritos, and of course some strawberries. So these are just some snacks we got. We also got this fragrance mix with some flowers, and we were thinking about putting it inside this vase bowl. I think that would look quite nice. I gave Mum the idea, and they also match with the flowers, so we could put the flowers and these together with that. I think that'd be quite nice. I got the duct tape, the colourful duct tape. I've never seen colourful duct tape before in my life. First time seeing it was quite surprising. We also just got some food from Iceland, and then just some stationery things from me. And we also bought some wool. This wasn't from Range because they don't have yarn in Range, but we also bought some wool as well. And just a water bottle and some glue. And I think that's everything we bought today. And we can show you what everything looks like in their places once we do them. So look out for in our next vlogs when we have everything nicely decorated, and you can see it then. I hope you enjoyed watching today's video, and I'll see you next time. Bye! And also remember to like, subscribe and comment on what decoration ideas you think would be nice, and also look out for the next videos. And this is how we decorated the flower and candle. So cute, right? And then this will be put onto our dining table.